Hey Trophies, welcome to I Jump Instead. My name is Trophy Sally. Thank you so much for joining me for this 10-minute step-ups workout on a rebounder. All levels are welcome. I'm going to show you two different paces that you can go so that you can meet your fitness needs. I have a 19-inch stool here strategically placed on my rebounder rug so that it doesn't slide forward. Any stool, chair, or bench that's 15 to 20 inches should be perfect. And then make sure that you have a non-slip pad underneath it if you are on flooring. Otherwise, if you're on carpet, you should be good to go. And then all we're going to be doing is just tapping our toes up onto the stool or chair or bench, and then engaging our core and getting our steps in and having some fun. So let's go ahead and get started with this quickie 10-minute workout. And then we're gonna also be incorporating upper body. It's gonna be a blast. So let's start with hip twists here. And now you can add as many mid bounces in between hip twists as desired. So this is 2 mid bounces. You're also welcome to do 3 mid bounces. And then if you wanna pick it up to just 1 mid bounce, that would be a little bit faster pace. And then you could even take all mid bounces out and just rock side to side. Jaw closed, relax your body and stay poised. Let's go ahead and get into our step ups. So we're gonna start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, perfect. And we're gonna keep this pace for the entire workout, but you are welcome to pick it up to 1 mid bounce if that's your desired pace. All right, so let's go ahead and feel our core activating with every bounce, standing tall, holding the handlebar so that we stay in good form and good posture. Perfect. The hip lifts, it stretches and strengthens through the hips and the core and the back. Excellent job. For the next minute, we're going to be adding an arm reach, and we're going to be lifting our arm with the opposite arm of our step up. So let's go ahead and get started in 3, 2, 1. Lift up the opposite arm. Perfect. And only lift it up as much as is comfortable for you. And then you can notice that you can lift up higher and higher as you get more flexible over time. Keep that jaw closed. Excellent. Staying in the present moment, feeling your body, and keeping your breath nice and calm. The next arm move that we're gonna do is a same side arm reach. So go ahead and get ready to reach out to the side in 3, 2, 1, perfect. Same side arm reach. Keep your arm parallel to the floor. Keep your arm firm and jaw closed. Excellent job. Keep your breath calm. Stay right down the center of your mat. Feel your chest engage, feel your lats engage, and your deltoids. Feeling a nice stretch through the shoulder. Perfect. The next arm move we're gonna do is an arm swing behind us with the same side. In 3, 2, 1. Perfect, so stay on theme and just pull your arm behind you. Excellent. Stay loose, lift your hip, keep your jaw closed. Staying in perfect form, great job. Staying nice and poised, keeping your whole body nice and firm. Excellent. The next move we're gonna do is a 2 bounce step up. So we're just gonna hold our foot up on our stool or bench or chair for 2 bounces in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Hold and drop. Hold and drop. Now stay focused on that standing leg so that you stay nice and strong through your core and through your glutes. Perfect. Yes, excellent. Working your frontal abdominals, working your obliques. Nice strong legs, jaw closed. And then we're gonna add an arm flex, waist hold in the next minute while we have our foot up on our stool, chair, or bench. We're gonna grab our waist. Excellent in 4, 3, 2, 1. Same side, hold. Handlebar, hold. Handlebar, perfect. Now you want to activate your arm muscles, so keep your arm firm, keep your whole body firm, poised, jaw closed, breath calm. Excellent, doing so great. The next arm hold we're gonna do is a shoulder hold, staying right on theme here, putting our fingertips right on our deltoids. In 4, 3, 2, 1, shoulder hold, handlebar, perfect. Give your shoulder a nice squeeze. Flex those biceps and triceps, keeping your back and your core nice and strong. Lift that elbow up just a little bit. Perfect. Staying centered down the middle of your mat. Staying in control. For the last minute, we're gonna pick it up to 3 count bounces. If you're already doing 2 count bounces, I want you to try no mid bounces. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Hold strong here. If you're feeling frisky and you want to pick it up to every other step, you're welcome to. This is your opportunity to push. And at the very most, you could try lifting up with no mid bounces. But I'm staying at the 3 count here. 30 more seconds. Give yourself that little push right at the end. And for the last minute, we'll do some hip twists. Calm down, cool down. Great job, holding strong, perfect. In 4, 3, 2, 1, hip twist. Keep your breath calm, your body relaxed and poised, jaw closed. Perfect. Just staying nice and relaxed. If you want to spontaneously bounce, you can, just to make your body nice and loose and flexible. And perfectly cooled down after our 10-minute workout. Excellent job. Class is over. You could do the class again if you wanted to. Otherwise, you did phenomenal. And then, of course, I hope you incorporate step-ups into your regular rebounding routine. Keep your stool, chair, or bench close by to your rebounder at all times so you can pull it over in front of your rebounder and do your step-ups any time of day. You can step up to music. You can step up while you're watching a movie. You can step up while you're looking outside. You are adding your steps. If you're tracking your steps, you're, of course, working on your fitness, strengthening your metabolism, your lymphatic system, and your flexibility and your overall muscle strength. You're totally crushing it if you're jumping instead. So great job. Give this video a like if you plan on doing step-ups again and again, whether you're doing this class or doing them on your own. And also comment below if you have any feedback, because step-ups are new and fun, and I hope you enjoyed them. So let me know in the comment section if you did. All right, Trophies, I'll see you in your next I Jump Instead Rebounder workout. Have a fantastic rest of your trophy day. Bye-bye.